Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to talk about Cyber Shiba. Here we are at the website of the project. This is a new project. Dive into Cyber Shiba, the Shiba that escaped the blockchain lab. In 2049, developers tried creating the perfect AI trading bot. Instead, they accidentally created a cyber enhanced Shiba Inu that trades harder than humans. Buy tips automatically services every rug and barks at paper hands in binary code. Now it has escaped into the blockchain. So here we have option to buy Cyber Shiba. So you can buy Cyber Shiba from it. You have to simply click here and you are going to buy Shiba. Here we have Dick Skinner about the project. You can check more details about their price and their market cap. Everything is mentioned here. You can see the details of Cyber Shiba on this. You have to check the graph, then their price and their market cap, liquidity, everything you are going to see of Cyber Shiba on this. And then here we have some more details about the diamond holders in Cyber Shiba. They are only diamond holders, no pumps and dump. And then we also have the white Twitter. So you have to simply follow them on Twitter to know exact details about the project, that what they have planned for the future and what is the future planning of the project. So it's better to join the social links. So you have to simply follow them on Twitter to know details of the project. So here we have Twitter. You have to simply follow them on Twitter to know exact details about the project, to know the details, recent tweets, recent details of the project on time. So it's better to join the social links. You have to simply join the social links to be able to understand the project and stay in touch with the team. And then here we have some more details of the project. Dive into Cyber Shiba. You can check some more details of their roadmap. So you have to simply click on the roadmap, and here we have details about the roadmap. You can check phase 1 is the dog has escaped, launch X account, create a login, then meme, and then their community, etc. Then phase 2, they have package forming, their meme competition, holder and their holder for accounts, AI Dojin dog, organic influence. Then phase 3, viral mode activated, TikTok followers, AI dodge rank, quality, etc. Then phase 3 and then phase 4. So this is how they have planned for their future planning. So you can check the future planning about the Cyber Shiba as well on this. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. Looks to me this is a very good and amazing project. You can definitely join this and we will be able to part of this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get notified about my upcoming video. Thank you.